Some people, welcome back to the vlog. Wagwan, my people, I just come to send some greetings to you all. Welcome back to It's Just Denise. I don't know. Yeah, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's Just Denise. What, wanna meet my cousin them? Yeah, I hope them not bother me, Sure, I say mega vlog and them just grab my phone and just start vlog. I don't know what them tell us. What them telling us say? What them telling us say? Tell me. Can't believe them. Them a joker, yeah, man. What's up, guys? Yes. So, welcome back. Wanna miss me? Wanna miss me? Wanna miss me? All right. Yeah, guys. Well, yes, so today I Tuesday. My head on the road, but it's like to 6 now, to 6 in the evening. Ask me why. Ask me why me just leave me I go on the road. Can't even tell you no why, but may I go on the road now. Hopefully me catch some place. Today I Tuesday, Thursday I Tatty birthday, tomorrow I'm busy, so I was hoping to catch some of the place to get some of the things because she wants to have a little birthday with her little friends them, a little, get together with her friends them. So I was hoping to go and pick up the ice cream from today. And I was hoping to go and get the cakes from today, but I was waiting on the ride because, if you carry them things upon taxi, walk up and down, get them, all of that. It's a little too hectic for me. Like the sun all up in an eye, me a blind and down. Sure, the sun. Why sun leave me alone? Yeah, I think we can work with this. Or not still a blind. I don't know. It's not my intention to blind you guys. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know, hopefully I can catch the cake place or hopefully I can catch the ice cream place. I don't know. I'm supposed to get some color braid for her ear, the hairstyle that she want. Hopefully I catch everywhere, but yeah. So the ride about to come now. Me go outside, go wait. So for me today is just a simple t-shirt and watch big belly. Sure, I need to work on this. Not belly too big, my belly I get out of hand. Girl can't eat, you see. Yeah, Nike slippers, t-shirt. You see what I say? Always on vacation. Wish that was true, trust me. Oh, how good that would be. Oh Lord. So I don't know if I'm gonna get for vlog when I'm on the road. But when I come back, I gonna know. If I get for vlog when I'm on the road, I get for bring one with me. When I come back, I gonna know where I'm going. Tatty girl.
Champion Tampa Bay Buccaneers visited the White House today, where they met with President Biden. Brady had skipped visits by the New England Patriots to the White House in 2015 and 2017. It was the first post-Super Bowl trip to the White House for the record-setting quarterback since 2005, when George W. Bush was president. Biden also used the occasion to tell Buccaneers team members, if they haven't already, to get vaccinated. U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin travels later this week to Southeast Asia, where the U.S. is looking for a coordinated approach to China. The Pentagon chief will stop in Singapore, Vietnam, and the Philippines on the first swing of the region by a member of the Biden cabinet.
Biden administration. So guys, I get you one place. I go see if another place open. Go see other people are still on. And if me I chat to myself, I go see if the ice cream place open right about now. Yes, it look like it open. Good afternoon. Huh? Yeah, 2 gallon almond and nuts and half box of corn. So that's 1,910. Okay. We can't find the other Isma. See him come on. See the money here. What flavor ice cream you want? Cherry? I'm gonna catch a place. The ice cream, but yeah, so I'm gonna catch it. What am I gonna do? KFC. KFC. So guys, I make it everywhere. So I know me I try to see if I can get the cake. So my head pull up the breeze. See if I can get the cake, you know. Hopefully I get the cake. So I have to come up on the road tomorrow. Just have, do everything I have to do. Eh? Oh, okay. But it looks like nobody not over here, so. Oh, really? Yeah, but Michelle, oh. The cakes are so beautiful. So I actually is them close off and him really helped me. I try to put on the words on the name on the cake. So I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. I'm just a little bit late. The persons them that work over this side, them already leave. So I'm just helping me out with that. Those are our 4 cakes. So I end up getting 4 because they are really small. Our name right around it. Yep. So they're looking like. So guys, it's the next day. Why I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I'm really tired. After I done do so much walking up and down. We come home eat. I'm just gonna bother with the camera no more. So may I wash some clothes. When I done wash, may I go start Tatty girl here and dollar up for tomorrow for her birthday. So me my clothes I wash. I eat my tin mackerel and fried dumpling. Yeah.
Auntie,
So why you come? You see me a flame and you come right up in night.
yeah, so yeah, right.
So now that's it. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Yeah.
And
Yeah, because the camera can't go low. Well, yes, guys, I'm gonna look if they made the machine stop. So I gotta catch you in another video. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video when I do her hair. So now we'll see that. And see the style that she get for her birthday. Yep. Here, the machine that yeah, mirror. Alright, so see you in a lovely. Alright. I am out. Peace.